Hello everybody. So this is video number 5 of our WordPress series. In this video we will see how we can display our home page as our front page. So let's get started. Here you can see on my website this is showing the front page as a home page, but we will change this. Let me show in another example. As you can see, it's still showing the front page as our home page. So we will change our settings and we will show our home page as our front page. For that, we will change our settings. Like in my last video, as I show you that how you can set your home page and post page. So in this video, I will change the settings of home page. As you can see, now I change my settings and home page is my home. And that's it. You just save the settings and go to website and refresh. And after refreshing, now you can see our homepage displayed on the front of the website. Let me show you another example. Like I just open my website once again, and now this time you can clearly see the setting has been changed. Like before the setting changes, the front page was shown as a home page, but now its home is showing as a front page. So this is it for this video. Please like, subscribe my channel, and for more videos, please select the bell icon. And thank you. Bye-bye.